Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick unboxing today, so let's take a look at this router. Now I'm gonna show you around the box because yes, there is some information missing in the website. It's good to see what's around the box. I'm gonna give you a quick glance at that info that you guys can see right here. Now there isn't that much, but there is a little bit. Anyways, that's around the box. Now let's just get started opening this up. And once we open it up, it actually looks quite big for a router. We just set that aside, this aside, antennas, our adapter, and here we go, the main cable. That's it, that's it. So this is for our power. Here we have our main cable. Now here we have our antennas. I'm just going to take them out from the plastic itself. And obviously we're going to hook those up there. We've got some instructions. However, it's really easy. I will be doing a home setup video for you guys. So you can see how you guys can set this up really easy. Plus a review after a few weeks. And here it is. This is our router. Now, as I mentioned, it looks really big. Actually, I was not expecting this. I've seen modems plus routers that are this size, so this is pretty big. However, it's pretty thin. It's not bad. So we got a connection right here, USB 3.0. There's nothing around, just ventilation on the back, which is the most important part. You guys can see exactly what's here. And right here we can see this. Anyways, if you guys want to compare this size to something else, I guess we could compare it to an iPad. It would be roughly the size of an iPad, roughly how big this is. Obviously the thickness are quite a bit thicker than just an iPad. Right now I'm just gonna put the antenna so you guys can see how big exactly this will be. And that's it. This is exactly what you guys will see inside the box. There's nothing more that you guys get inside of it. At a first glance, all I can tell you guys, this doesn't feel too heavy, not too light. I don't usually like when things feel too light because that means it's pretty bad quality. However, this feels okay. Now the size, like I mentioned, it's pretty big. Pretty big. So not something that you guys can just throw somewhere to hide it away. Wherever you put it, this will stand out for sure. Now this reminds me the size, if you compare it to an old DVD player, those mini ones, that's what I can compare this to, and it reminds me of that for some reason. Maybe because it's so bulky. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.